I'm constantly encouraging my clients to dream. More specifically, I encourage my clients to daydream. That is why, if you've been looking at some of these videos over the years, you will find recommendations that you should spend some time doing little, or better still, nothing. In other words, letting your mind settle and letting your mind wander. Now, I don't mean wandering into the mundane, the way in which our minds are normally designed to wander. In other words, into the worries and cares of the world and into the what-ifs of our everyday life. I mean a different quality of wandering into the maybes and the could-bes and the big stuff, what we call our dreams. Now, the problem that most people have when it comes to even thinking about their dreams is that they know somewhere in their heart and soul, or at least they think they do, that they are just dreams, for the simple reason that their past experiences of chasing their dreams have led to nothing. You need to know that your past experiences in life cannot be used as a guide to your future experiences, for the simple reason that your past experiences were filtered through your own programs, your thoughts, what psychology calls your stored knowledge. Your past is not a guide to the future. What is a sure and certain guide to the future is how you turn up to the here and now. And that is why we meditate. And you may be beginning to understand how these two pieces now fit together. My dreams and my clear mind. The clearer my mind, the more I become aware, self-aware, the more I become aware of my dreams. And the more I become aware of my dreams, the more I need to listen to them, and the more I need to set my mind to convert those dreams into reality. Because even though our dreams come from the subconscious, in the way in which we set our subconscious mind to go and convert those dreams into reality, we need to give our subconscious mind something on which it can hang its hat, so to speak. That is why we've talked about perfect moments and writing them so very often in these videos as well. Your dreams become reality when you believe that you can achieve them by virtue of the fact that you've already seen, felt, heard, smelt and tasted what it would be like to be there. It's how we set our minds. It's how the mind works anyway, using our own stored knowledge that I mentioned earlier on. You can switch your own stored knowledge for the kind of knowledge that you want to bring to bear, to bring your dreams to reality and create the life that you really, really